Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll just be showing you guys how I fix some light over bleaching on my lace wigs. As you can see, some of the roots were bleached. I definitely left the bleach on a little too long. Instead of 15 minutes I went for 30 minutes. Big mistake. As you can see, some of the places turned out a little over bleached. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I fix that. So we're going to start off by securing our wig onto our stand. So guys, all the pins that had the stoppers were all sold out because of the Rona. So I had to get some sewing freaking needles, guys. But at the end of the day, it did work. It did help me out. Because of the Rona, everything is just sold out. Once our wig is nicely secured on our stand, we're going to go ahead and mix the hair dye. I'm just giving you guys a close-up of the roots. As you can see, there's a little blonde going there, and we do not want that. The permanent hair dye that I'm going to use today is the Dark and Lovely Color Intense. I do usually use Renew, but I went for the cheapest brand today because honestly I'm just going to need it. I'm just using it for my roots, and I'm just showing you guys what's in the box. We do have the hair color cream, which is in 40 milliliters, developer milk in the 60 milliliters, and oil treatment, which is 5 milliliters, and then they do supply some gloves and obviously the instruction manual. And then I went ahead with a polystyrene cup and a little little brush that I got from my Renew boxed hair dye. And what I'm going to do is just use a little amount. I'm literally eyeballing it. I didn't use any measuring equipment or whatever. And I just eyeballed the hair color cream and some developer milk to make sure that it's basically the same amount of each that I used, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it until it's fully mixed with one another, and then yeah, that's it. I just want to apologize in advance. I thought I was recording the application of the hair dye at the front of the lace wig, but I actually was not. So we actually to the side already, and I am using a spoolie brush. This is an old mascara that was dried up, so I took the spoolie and I cleaned it up, and I be using it, honey, for my eyebrows, and now to fix the over bleaching of my lace. I use a spoolie brush because it's very precise and it gets the strands that you want. I'm using this spoolie brush because I do not want the dye to basically touch my lace, because it's going to dye it black, and when I apply it, it's gonna have that dark black tint to it, and we don't want that. We don't want to have to re-dye the lace Okay, so we're going to use something that's going to get the color, the excess color, the excess bleach where we want it, and that is why we're using something as small as that. If I was to go in with a brush, the applicator brush that you guys saw me mixing their hair dye with, it would leak onto the lace, which will then color it up and cause a bigger problem than we initially had. So I'm just gonna shut up and let you guys watch exactly what I'm doing. It's pretty straightforward. Disclaimer, we are working with a permanent dye, so you have to work as quickly as possible. Apologies for the camera angle, guys. It's not easy to film and record on your own, but make sure you're working pretty quickly, because as you can see, the front has already been dyed black. You don't want it to get to a point where it's super pitch black, because the wig is a natural black color. Natural color is not pitch black, so you work as quickly as possible and then you wash it out. And I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I did wash it with my Tresemme Botanicals shampoo, and I condition it with a Botanicals conditioner, and I let the conditioner sit on the hair for about 30 minutes, and then I washed it out and I allowed the wig to air dry. Guys, please use the gloves they gave us. I clearly played myself here. It took me about 3 days to get them completely off my fingers. And that's about it, guys. This is how the hair is looking after I have washed and conditioned it. Absolutely beautiful. You can't even tell that there was anything going on with the roots, and nothing has bit onto the lace. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. If you guys do try out this method, please let me know in the comment section how it went, guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys the back where it was extremely over bleached, and yeah, everything is completely back to normal. I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks fully dried. This is a wavy 360-degree lace wig by Kia Hair. We'll be seeing more of this in my next video, where I will be showing you guys how I install this beautiful 360-degree lace wig. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post a brand new video. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Hi my loves, thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you're notified when I post a brand new video.